there, homeowners, let's talk carpets. You know, those soft, plush surfaces that make our homes feel cozy and inviting. They're cozy, they're warm, they're great for the kids to play on, and they add a touch of elegance to any room. But they also collect a lot of dirt and grime. Over time, carpets can become a breeding ground for dust mites, allergens, and bacteria. So, what's the secret to keeping them clean and looking brand new without breaking the bank? The answer lies in professional carpet cleaning services. It's all about getting the best carpet cleaning deals. And trust me, there are plenty of deals out there if you know where to look. And how do you do that? By requesting a quote. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of money and hassle in the long run. Well, imagine walking into a cafe and ordering a coffee, only to find out it costs 20 bucks. You'd be shocked, right? No one wants that surprise. It's the same feeling when you get an unexpectedly high bill for carpet cleaning. The same goes for carpet cleaning. When you request a quote, you know exactly what you're paying for, and there are no hidden fees. This transparency is crucial for peace of mind. When you get a quote, you can compare prices and services. This allows you to see which company offers the best value for your money. Some companies might throw in a free deodorizer or a stain removal treatment as part of their package. Others might charge extra for that. Knowing these details upfront helps you avoid any unpleasant surprises. Knowing this upfront helps you make an informed decision. You can choose the service that best fits your needs and budget. Every home is different. Maybe you have pets, maybe you've got kids, or maybe that one uncle who always spills his drink. Each situation requires a different cleaning approach. When you request a quote, you can specify your needs. This ensures that the cleaning service can tailor their approach to suit your home perfectly. Whether it's a deep clean for pet stains or a gentle clean for delicate fibers, they've got you covered. Let's face it, no one likes unexpected expenses. They can throw off your entire budget and cause unnecessary stress. With a quote, you can budget accordingly and avoid those nasty surprises. You can plan your finances better and ensure you're not overspending. Plus, you can spot any upsells or unnecessary services that might sneak into the final bill. This way, you only pay for what you need. When you're comparing quotes, you can also check out reviews and ratings. This gives you an idea of the company's reputation and the quality of their service. Spot a company with a great price but poor reviews? That's a red flag. Maybe not the best choice. It's better to pay a little more for a service that has good reviews and satisfied customers. Go for one that offers a good balance of cost and quality. This ensures you get the best value for your money. Now, how do you request a quote? It's easy. Most companies have streamlined the process to make it as simple as possible. Most companies have an online form where you can enter details about your home, the number of rooms, the type of carpet, and any specific needs. Hit submit and voila! You're on your way to a cleaner home. You'll get a detailed breakdown of the costs. This transparency helps you understand exactly what you're paying for. Request quotes from at least 3 different companies. This gives you a good range of options and ensures you're getting the best deal. You can compare the services offered and choose the one that best fits your needs. So next time your carpet looks like it needs some TLC, remember the secret. Always request a quote. It's a small step that makes a big difference. It saves you money, gives you peace of mind, and ensures you get the best service for your home. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on keeping your home in tip-top shape. See you next time.